Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is part 2 of the video series. I'm going to be showing you how to put music into your videos the best way possible. So if you're interested, stay tuned. You're going to go to YouTube, and when we find a song here, you're going to screen record. You're going to write non-copyright music at the top, and a bunch of things is going to definitely come up, but you have to be careful as to which one you use. So sometimes if you're not sure, I would just go stick with Lakey inspired or Ike's, and I'm going to show you both. A lot of the songs that I do use in my videos are from Lakey inspired because they're safe to use, as I know, and they're very popular, and they have a very chill vibe. Most of my videos are very chill. And then if I do have a more upbeat video, I'm going to show you who I use when I want to do that. So I'm just looking through, I'm going to show you how it looks. And all I do is I screen record. That's all I do. So I also go to Ikeson. So I like his music if I'm doing more like an upbeat hair review or something like that. So he has a bunch of songs. He has more songs than Lakey inspired, but I do like Lakey inspired a little bit better than Ikeson. So yeah, once I do that, I screen record, and then I use that for the video. But before I do that, you have to make sure that you always credit the artist. If you do not credit the artist, you will get a copyright strike, and you do not want that. So after you do that, you're going to basically, here's what you need to copy and paste: the song, the music, and the video link. You have to always put that there, and above that you always write, I do not own any music in this video. You will always see that in my description box, so just remember that I do not own any music in this video. So yeah, once that's done, you're gonna go press the 3 dots. Audio only is the main key to this for making it fast and easy. There's another way, but that is a little bit harder. So I'm gonna go through and make sure the song covers the whole video. When it does not cover it, you have to duplicate the song. You'll see it down below. There's a duplicate section, but sometimes the song is long enough depending on how long your video is. And what I also do is I put the audio in the background because it's easier like that, and it makes it sound better. You can keep it in the foreground when it's blue, basically it's the foreground, and when it's green, that's the background. The background is mainly for like when you're talking, it automatically will get lower once you start to talk, and then it'll get louder once you stop talking. I'm not really sure what else is for, but you can do the research on it. So what I'm doing, I'm just splitting the songs up, and sometimes I need the song to be a little lower or a little higher depending on what I'm talking about. So you just adjust the volume as you go, and you always want to adjust the volume according to what your viewers is going to hear. You don't want to always have the song on 100. Don't keep the song on 100 basically, because that's gonna bust their eardrums basically. A lot of videos I see do that, and you don't want to do that. People complain and everything like that. So I'm showing you, I'm adding audio again. You can do it this way if you like. You would have to drag this over if you wanted to do that. I hope I'm explaining this good enough for you, but I usually don't do this. I just will duplicate the actual music I already put there in the first place if I need it to be longer. You'll see the duplicate button at the bottom. Just play around with it and you'll understand it. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let you hear how it sounds afterwards, but this is the fastest and easiest way for you to put music in your video, to be honest. Press add, go to video, choose the video that you did, press the 3 dots, and then do audio only. And like I said, always adjust the volume. If it's too loud for your ears, it's too loud for your viewers' ears. Okay y'all, thanks so much for watching. That was the video. I hope that this helped. Leave any comments down below if you guys need any extra help, and I'm going to be doing a part 3, 4, and 5 of this series, teaching you everything that you need to know about iMovie to get your YouTube channel popping and off the ground. So I will see you guys in the next video.